Today I will show you how to deploy an Emergent AI app. First, open Emergent AI in your browser. Once Emergent is open, you will see a space to enter a prompt for building your app. Type your idea clearly and include the instructions you want the app to follow. After entering the prompt, click the button to build your app. This process usually takes a few seconds or a minute, depending on the complexity of your prompt. After the app is built, you will see a preview. Take some time to explore it. Test all the features and make sure everything is working as expected. When you are satisfied with the preview, exit the preview page. Look at the top right corner of the Emergent dashboard. There you will see a deploy button. Click on it to start the deployment process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Emergent will guide you through all the steps, including any necessary settings for your app. You can also add a custom domain to your app if you want. This allows people to visit your app at a personalized web address. After completing these steps, your app will be published and available online. Keep in mind that deploying an app requires a paid Emergent plan. Make sure your plan is active before starting the deployment. Thanks for watching.